Hello. So, we are going to get started with Unit 13. We won't do anything else till next week, but I wanted you to get a start on your spelling words. So, in your Google Classroom assignment, you're going to need to open up your spelling words attachment. And it looks like it starts with Unit 1, but once the page is open, we'll just scroll down to the bottom and we'll find the Unit 13. There we go. All right, so we will have our assessment next Friday, okay? Now, these words might be a little small for you to see. Do you remember how to zoom in when you're in Google Docs? I'm going to click on that little magnifying glass and click, and then you want to go back to that little arrow, remember? Otherwise, you'll keep zooming in, okay? So you're going to look, and sometimes it happens where it jumps up to the last page. Just click back on the one you want, okay? You look through our Unit 13 words, think, do you want green list or blue list? I keep jumping back. All right, so for green lists, we have somebody, toothbrush, homesick, all right, goodbye, classmate, flashlight, haircut, 22. Notice that hyphen in there. Yes, you do need that little dash. It's called a hyphen. Driveway, alarm clock. Babysit is the same way. It does need that hyphen, okay? Airport, forever, mailbox, fireplace, nearby, make-believe does need that hyphen too, anything, and forehead. And we got challenge words, which are greens. Next one, so we've got field trip, absent-minded, so whether you're doing green challenge or blue regular, you do need that hyphen in absent-minded. If you're absent-minded, it means like you did it without thinking. Your mind is absent. Life jacket, that one is 2 words actually, okay? So life space jacket, it's not together. Skyscraper, nevertheless, that one is 3 words together. Masterpiece, poison ivy, 2 words there. Furthermore, we have spelling still. Self-defense, self-defense, and toothache. So you're going to think through which words you want to use, okay? Then you go back into your spelling assignment, and you're going to open the spelling font fun. Now, it already has numbers set up for you, and what it says is to type each of your words in a different font. So what you can do is either keep clicking back and forth, or what I like to do is I like to click this little box and make it smaller, okay? And I like to drag it up to the top and then drag the side in so it's like in the middle-ish and drag the other side out. Then I click one of my tabs that I also need open. I'm going to move this one over and I'm going to drag it to the side. So now, and I just click this, bring that back up to the top. Now I can see both of my pages that I need at once. So what I'm going to do is click next to number 1, and then I'll just move my arrows up and down as I need to go to the next number. But I need a different font, because that's the point of this, font fun. So what I'm going to do is click on this 3 dots for more. Now the fonts come up here. If you have it open in full page already, then it should be once you click on the box right there. Okay, so I'm going to go back this way so I can see my words though. I want to do my first one. I'm feeling permanent marker. So I write my first word, S-O-M-E-B-O-D-Y. Somebody. Now if I hit enter, it goes to the next spot too. Or I can use my arrows to go up and down. But I need a new font. Let's do Vast Shadows because I like the shadowy look. So now I'm doing my second word of toothbrush. Toothbrush. Enter. Picking a different one. Let's do Ruthie. Number 3, homesick. Homesick. Enter to go into number 4. Okay, and keep going. I did make I thought there were spots for 25. What you can do after, if you keep hitting enter, then it'll add more numbers. Okay? 3, 24, 25. So as you go through, you're going to add your words. And let's say after you make it, you don't like that font anymore. I can highlight it and change it that way. You do need a different font. Okay, try and do a different one for each one. There's more than 25. There's some of these ones. Let me move this guy. There's some of these ones down. No, any of these should be fine on Google. Any of the ones in there, okay? So, have fun doing your font spelling. And remember my trick to separate your tabs, or you can always keep flipping back and forth. So for all right, I would want to do all. Oh, come on. All space, and then how did I spell right again? Oh yeah, R-I-G-H-T. I-G-H-T. But whoops, that's the same font. So I just highlight it. And let's do Bilbo. Okay, so that's what you're doing for spelling. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have fun with different fonts.